Are you feeling a little bit unmotivated today? Do you need some inspiration? Well, in this video, I've got the perfect inspiration for you. Now, if you like this kind of information where I'm helping you stay motivated on your e-commerce journey, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I'll know you want more information just like this. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions for me or comments, just comment below and I'll answer them personally for you. With that being said, let's do it. When you first start a business or have the idea for a business, your motivation is through the roof, okay? It's through the roof. And what I tell people to do at that point, when they've got the idea and the motivation is through the roof, is go and take a little tiny action step to get things moving, okay? Super easy. For me, it was always registering domain names. So if I had an idea for a business, I would go and immediately register the domain names. I would always register the .com and where possible, either the .com.au if I was in Australia, or .co.uk or .fr, or depending on where I was selling, I would go and register the things, okay? And that was a little tiny step I could take that really, really helped me start the process. Because what you want to do is recognize that motivation is huge, like you can't wait to get started, okay? And then it plateaus and then it dips. And it happens for all entrepreneurs. And that dip is caused by the realization that you're going to have to work. You are going to have to work. It ain't just going to fall into your lap. You're going to have to work. You're going to have to go out there. And as you're learning this process that you got to work and you start the work, you're then faced with the unenviable task, which is when most people quit, of having the first things that you try fail. Okay, that's when the majority of people quit, when the first things that they've tried didn't work for them, whatever that may be. Okay, and that process of things not working can be as little as hassles with Seller Central, not accepting your thing, through to things happening with regards to sourcing the product. Oh, I can't find a supplier in China. Oh, shipping's a nightmare at the minute, no matter what it might be. Or even just noticing that somebody's registered your domain name already for this great idea that you had. Little things like that, okay? And all of those little things chip away at your motivation unless you're kind of ready for it and prepared for it by accepting that it's going to be tough, but the rewards are worth it. So this is why I wanted to show this. This is Tatum. Probably you've read that by now, but essentially it's this. She struggled. She absolutely struggled. She's clearly gone through that motivational journey herself and recognized that if she wants to be her boss, her own boss, if she wants to have the riches, the rewards that entrepreneurs get access to, then she's going to have to go through that process and keep herself motivated. That's why I believe things like the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs are so important for entrepreneurs. You want to surround yourself with people who will tell you that you can do it. I will tell you, the second you have within your group of friends, one person start bitching and whinging and moaning and telling you it won't work, it is cancerous. That cancer rushes through all other people within that group and everybody suddenly decides it's not possible. Whereas with the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, for the most part, we do have some whinging bastards, but you know, you're going to get that anywhere. For the most part, the people in the AOE community are very positive about entrepreneurship and about you and your abilities, importantly, to do it, okay? So I think it's very, very important. If you just have regular people around you, they will tell you all the time, you can't do it, okay? Because they don't want you to do it. Because what does that mean for them? If you do it, well, it's kind of bad for them, okay? It's just an ego thing. Completely understandable. People do that. Survival mechanism. They don't want you to leave the tribe. It's hardwired into us. That's why entrepreneurship is hard. because you have to go against the tribe to become an entrepreneur. Anyway, so I really like that. I thought it was really inspirational, and I really like this idea that against adversity and against odds, she kept at it and persisted and made it happen. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We've got over 2,500 members and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right here in Australia. And if you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the next video. Until then.